Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you how to earn $10 per hour without any investment and from online. So, so here you go. So please let's check about making a money from online. So first step is how to step is focus group. So a paid focus group is when a group of people are brought together to engage in a discussion about a specific topic. You will usually be asked questions by a moderator with the overall aim being to find out about things like consumer habits or your thoughts on a particular political issue. There is a seriously good money to be made here. For instance, how does more than $100 an hour sound? So next step is turning on your computer. This is probably the easiest way you will find to make $10 fast online, and as it involves the tiniest amount of work ever. So you may have heard of Nielsen from their reporting on TV view numbers. So number three is blogging. Blogging is no longer about simply waiting your thoughts like a diary. Instead, it can be great way to make serious money by writing about basically whatever topic you can think of. Bonus, it's something you are truly interested in. So number four step number four step is playing games. There are hundreds of sites that allow you to make $10 fast online by doing something you enjoy. So number five is talking advantage of sign up bonus. This is not going to be a long term opinion for you to be making $10 an hour, but it's super simple way to make that amount today. Especially there are some great apps that after different ways to make money that pay you just for signing up with item.